So what's gonna be your next step after you get the meat nice and brown? What are you doing next?
Next step is stirring garlic, chili powder, or put the house seasoning, and then stirring the remaining ingredients.
Okay. So again, the beauty of this is it's a one pot deal, right? So we don't have to have 2 or 3 different pots. Once you get the onions going, the meat is brown. We put the garlic in after because garlic really burns very easily. So some people might say, well, why didn't you put it in with the onions? But it can burn. It's much more fragile. So we put it in after. We cheat a little bit because we have some garlic that's already minced. But if you want a more potent kind of garlic taste, you can go with some fresh garlic. And that would need to cook a little longer. So when your onions are like almost done, I would then add, if you're using raw garlic, I would then add it at that stage. Well, you know, but the important part of the job is the taste test. So you have to taste test it at the end. All right, so you're about there. Yeah, you're about there. You got the meat is now no more pink, right? It's all brown. You can adjust your heat, maybe taking a smidge lower now. Got our tomatoes getting ready to go in. So speaking of the seasoning, right? We're gonna add a little cumin and add a little chili powder. So that's just speaks to the flexibility of this. Like those ingredients are not in here. So depending, this is kind of a base seasoning, and you can punch it up however you want to punch it up. All right, and whenever you're ready, you're free to start adding all those other components.
The chili powder.
Yep, got your corn. We got some chicken stock. We got some tomato paste.
Put in the chicken.
You're not gonna need all of that paste, so. Corn is in.